Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jonathan, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back, my friends, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I would appreciate if you'd subscribe in order to support my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for all the heartfelt comments, liking my videos, and sharing my videos with those you may feel might be in the need of my spiritual guidance. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 7 things that all empaths must let go in order to truly step into their own and become the most powerful version of themselves. Let's get started. Let me know in the comments below how well I'm going to be able to recap what you've experienced in your life leading up to your spiritual awakening as an empath. Growing up, did you have a lot of emotional highs, a lot of emotional lows? Did you struggle when you were in crowded areas, feeling a lot of anxiety? Did you feel worried? Did you feel a lot of fear? Were you able to sense out other people's energies unknowingly? Did you attract narcissists, needy people, energy vampires who just left you feeling drained? Have you always felt as if you have to try to save everyone? Did you struggle with depression the majority of your life? Because everything that I've described, that's exactly what I experienced until I had my spiritual awakening, until I started to gain knowledge. And when it comes to being a powerful empath, knowledge is power. And that's why in this video I'm going to be talking about 7 things that you must let go of in order to fully become the most powerful version of yourself. The first thing that you must let go is the victim mentality. This is something I struggled with at the beginning of my spiritual awakening, seeing it as a curse. As a curse, I just went into the hermit phase. I refused to see anyone because I was seeing it as something that was negative. When in reality, it is most likely your most powerful gift that you have been given. Therefore, let go of the victim mentality and begin to see all the benefits from having this incredible power within you. Start to see how you're able to help out other individuals, how you're able to use this gift in order to begin to thrive. The second thing that you must let go, and it's most likely not going to be the most popular, is let go of any past painful experiences that's trapped in your heart. Literally going back, doing a full life review and allowing yourself, giving yourself permission to purge this out. Because what's going to end up happening is the faster you're able to get your heart back to its natural emotional state of being, as far as living out of love, joy, and happiness, the faster you're going to become a powerful empath. Because as you raise up your vibration, as you clear out all this inventory, your empathic ability is going to be amplified up. You're going to be able to sense things at a much deeper level than you currently are. And not only this, other people's energies are going to be affecting you a lot less. You are going to be able to withstand the energies coming forth, because whatever comes forth, you're going to be able to release it. But whatever is being trapped in your heart, until you release all these things, you're still constantly taking in more baggage. And that's why it's making you feel as if this is not a gift yet. But by giving yourself permission, one situation after another, what's going to end up happening? You're going to learn the very valuable life lessons that you're meant to learn. Therefore, you're not going to have to relive those lessons. Example, if you've been in a relationship, 2-3 relationships that ended the exact same way, there's a powerful life lesson that's meant to be learned. But you must allow yourself, you got to give yourself permission to purge first. And then the life lesson's going to come forth and you won't have to relive this. And then, telling you this, you're going to be feeling that much better and that much more powerful. The third thing that you must let go is toxic habits. Look at your life right now. As far, are you still drinking? Are you smoking? Are you taking drugs? Are you, example, taking in too much caffeine? Look at the bad habits that you're currently hanging on to. And I can tell you this from my own personal experience. I hung on to certain bad habits because it was the last cord that was attached from my pre-awakened self to my awakened self. And you're going to see this at a certain point, no matter if you're willing and are able to at a certain point, it's going to happen. Whatever bad habit that you're continually doing, what's going to happen is you're going to feel so bad on the inside as you're doing this bad habit that it's naturally going to melt away. And it's okay to try and not succeed your first time. But at a certain point, you're truly going to benefit to start letting go of certain bad habits and now taking on new healthy habits. The fourth thing that you must let go is any form of negative content. Whether this is movies, television, news, social media, music. Remove any and all unnecessary negative content. And the reason I'm saying this is, at a certain point, what you consume will consume you. Okay, so really look at your life right now. What is it that you want to have come forth? Whatever it is that you want to have come forth, start consuming this. Example, you want to have the love of your life come forth. You're not going to watch a horror movie. You're going to watch a romantic comedy. It's the same thing with music. You're not going to listen to aggressive music about death. You're going to be listening to positive music. And as you do this, as you start to eliminate all that is negative, what you're going to notice, you're going to be feeling a lot better. You're going to be feeling a lot less stressed. You're no longer going to be worrying. You're no longer going to be living in fear, because at a subconscious level, whatever you're taking in, whatever you're consuming, that is going into your subconscious mind. And whether you're aware of it or not, example, if you're always stuck on the news, you're hearing coronavirus every 30 seconds. Well, guess what? At a subconscious level, this is affecting you. Therefore, start taking in content as far as what is it that you want to bring forth in your life. How is it that you want to move forward? Start bringing forth these types of things and let go. Let go of any negative content that is not necessary or really limited. And you're going to see this is going to help raise up your vibrations, and this is truly going to help to create this inner peace and allow you to become the most powerful version of yourself. And the fifth thing that you must let go of is unhealthy foods. Start to eliminate unhealthy things that you're consuming, because as far as raising up your vibrations, every single food that you eat, everything that you ingest has a vibrational frequency. And if you're eating, example, snack foods, that's going to bring you down. But whereas if you're eating healthier, that's going to help raise up your vibrations. Start viewing your body as a temple. And not only this, I want you to start to envision an avatar. As far as start envisioning, how is it that you want to look like? What would truly make you the happiest? What would be the best version of yourself? And start to work towards that. Start to eliminate foods, and you're going to feel this. There's certain foods I love to eat, but I just feel like crap afterwards. They just really don't feel good. It brings me down. It makes me feel groggy. Therefore, once in a while, I've really cut that back on that, and I've taken in higher vibrational foods, which is making me feel a lot better. Because not only is it the foods that you take in, but it's also being able to move. Becoming more and more active is going to help speed up your metabolism, and it's going to help raise up your vibrations also. And number 6, the sixth thing that you should let go of is trying to help people who do not have their hands out. Trying to help individuals who are not looking to be helped. And this is most likely going to be a family member, it's going to be a relative or a really close friend, where your intuition is going to tell you, no, this person is not ready to be helped. But you're going to be like, this is my friend, this is my brother, this is my sister, as an example. I have to help them out. But truly start to trust your intuition, because unless someone has their hand out and is ready, willing, and able to be helped, there's nothing that you can do. All that's going to happen is you're going to waste your time and energy on this person, and it's going to leave you feeling completely drained. Start to be selective as far as who you're able to help. You're not here to help save everyone. Not absolutely everyone. You're here to help certain individuals. But what's most important is watching over your own energy. Putting yourself first, being able to set the boundaries whenever you need to, and be selective. And I've made this mistake of not trusting my intuition. Several times this has happened. But now I solely trust on my intuition. If my intuition tells me this person is not ready, even if my logic is trying to tell me, yo, this person's important to you, you should be helping them out. No, I take a step back, and I know that at a certain point, this person will have their hands out, and that is when I'm going to be able to help them out. So really set boundaries and trust, begin to trust your intuition above all as far as who you're meant to help out. And the seventh thing that you must let go, start to let go of electronic devices once in a while. Start to give yourself at least 1 hour a day without some type of electronic device in your hand, without looking at some type of electronic device. And if you're able to, go out in nature. Just like right here where I moved. I literally live 5 minutes away from, there's a lake right over there, and then there's a little river here. I try to come out here as often as possible in order to recharge my battery, get away from all the electronics, clear my mind, recharge my battery, and then take in all the guidance and advice I'm receiving from my angels and my guides. And just taking in Mother Nature, being able to see the beauty in Mother Nature. And it's really helping me remain present, become as present as possible, which helps release all the stresses that we face in today's society. But it's really important. Spend 1 hour per day without electronic devices, without anyone around you. Recharge your battery, clear your mind, take in the guidance that come forth. Really start thinking about, in your heart space, how is it that you want to move forward? Those were just 7 very powerful tips as far as things that you should let go. And trust me, once you start to let go of these 7 things, along with gaining more knowledge about this empathic ability, you're truly going to begin to thrive. You're truly going to begin to discover the direction that you should be heading in. And not only this, as you begin to thrive, as you begin to feel better, you're going to be attracting high vibe tribes. You're going to be attracting individuals that are going to be matching your vibrations. You're going to be seeing that situations are going to be turning out in your favor far more often than not. But it's really important. Set those boundaries when you need to. But when your intuition is guiding you, is telling you this person has their hand out, be open, ready, and willing and able to just sit and listen to them attentively. You don't always have to give them the answers. Oftentimes, it's just like when we purge, it's just being able to get something off our chest that makes us feel better. But really trust your intuition above all, and continue to take in more and more knowledge. Continue to learn how to use this gift and really see it for the powerful gift that it is. And if you're remotely feeling stressed out, go out in nature, or else do a meditation. Spend 15-20 minutes out in nature or meditating, and just to melt away any of the stress that you have, any type of fear, any anxiety that you're feeling. Get yourself in the present moment. Continue to let that faith come forth. Continue to let that faith to grow, because all these visions that you've had as far as what is it you want to bring forth, all these affirmations that you've been putting out in the universe, the longer it's taking, guess what? You're continually raising up your vibrations. Therefore, what it is that you're bringing forth is going to be even better than what it is that you put out there. Well, that's going to do it for the video. I love you guys. You guys have an awesome day. Namaste.